Stock Jockey back with you. And guess who?
Man of the bunker, right here. Owner,
The
right there.
owner of the bunker. And he's going to pour a gold bar, isn't that right?
Yeah, can I do a strip? No.
We need to get
Hey,
juice.
you have the lady fans out there that love you, owner of the bunker.
They're asking for you.
Here we go. I'm coming.
He's got it all fired up.
Coming. Let me pour the gold. There we go.
All right.
Attention. Crucible missing.
Yeah. Attention, bunkers missing.
All right, gang. And this is the real hot gold going into the mold right now.
We have a new crucible.
Is this brand new? This is brand new?
Brand new. The lady bunker said, no crucibles, no trabajo. Pack your clothes and go.
We're finally working the way we should be. See, it's covered. We have the correct size crucible.
We're making progress at
Yes,
bunker.
we are.
Progress at the bunker.
Yes, we
Progress at the
are.
bunker, right?
It was a busy day today at the bunker, I noticed.
It was.
Is everybody home?
Everybody's home.
We
All
got
right.
a full team here today.
All right, now you know the owner of the bunker. He doesn't wait around for things to cool off. He is very, very quick. Does not.
You can also do something like this.
Oh, that's right, dust.
It's like shish kebab.
Are we gonna see? We're not gonna see gold coins out on a.
We had some gold coins previously, but it was pre-melted.
Oh, okay.
So
No gold coins out on the what do you call that thing? Oh, that we weigh the stuff with. The scale. By the way, the owner of the bunker, even though he's wearing the hat, he doesn't own the Ferrari. Because he's smarter than that. He knows money makes money. Ferraris don't make money.
exactly. Ferraris waste money. Look at that beauty right there.
There it is.
Lots of chocolate.
Oh! Did you see that? Did you see that recovery? All right, owner of the bunker. We're gonna go ahead and hit the quench tank. Here goes, gang. He does it differently than we do the bunker. You would notice that.
Yep, right.
The best way to get the borax off is not to drench it all the way, right? Owner of the bunker?
Yes. This piece gotta come out straight.
Now, is it possible or is it true? I didn't see the gold when it went in, but that borax, is it possible that there are stones in the borax?
Yes, always. We do have lots of borax in the stones. We have something on the table here.
Oh, over.
The preview of last diamond month that we didn't finish.
Oh, that's right. Let's take a look.
This is
Owner of the bunker wants to show you something real quick.
This was the diamonds that we recovered last time.
And this is it, gang. These are
Different colors, you see?
different colored diamonds.
Whites, darks. These called dead diamonds. They still worth money.
Okay. But
Like
everything on here does have value to be reused again in jewelry. Is that correct?
Correct.
It's just a beautiful thing all around.
Correct. And then we package them up like this.
So that way when you go and work
Sell.
with the dealers to sell, everything's packaged up accordingly.
Right. Because every color has a different price. See, there's a lot of.
And this is the reason that when the scrap gold is melted, folks, this is the reason that the borax is added to go ahead and help separate stones.
This is the borax that we're talking about. It just purifies and it basically pretty much takes off the other impurities that gold does not need.
Gotcha.
It's like having a headache girlfriend or boyfriend. You know, when you don't need it, you don't need it. You just take a Tylenol for it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, get back to the bar. We're gonna go ahead and cool that bar off. Ready to go.
So the bar is cool.
Take a brush to it.
You see, the reasons why I do it this way is because I want to eliminate hitting the bar so I could get rid of the boron because they don't pay for it.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
And to get a better reading when I'm melting, when I'm testing the bar.
And by reading, you mean when you put
Assaying.
when you put the bar on the X-ray machine to see
Right.
purity.
Correct. Because if the laser hits this, it's gonna lower your bar percentage. 14 karat will show 13 karat, which you're gonna make you lose money. So the cleaner the bar, the better results you get for testing the bar.
Gotcha.
So you don't go through the heating the process here and cleaning the bar. It's important how you cool down the bar.
Gotcha.
But everything's gotta be done gradually, quick. In the bar, in the crucible, water, test, get your money.
Get your money. That's the bottom line is, folks.
Get paid and get money.
Get paid and get money. That's the bottom line. All right, he's going to go ahead and take the rest of that borax off there. And Stock Jockey's going to step up front here to the scale, and he'll bring it up here in just a moment, and we'll see what this weighs. Thank you, owner of the bunker.
Approximately 1800 to 1900 grams. Did you want to show them the silver we have?
It's on the.
It's right on the scale for you.
There's some silver today for you, gang. How about 5,368 gram silver bar? What do you think of that, huh? Okay,
That sucker is as big as my hand,
there you go.
and I have a big hand.
Now, what would a bar about that size be worth approximately, in your opinion, owner of the bunker?
So we're gonna do some math. 5368.8 times 91%. That's percentage of the bar.
Okay.
Then divided by an ounce. So you have 157 ounces. That's 1646. $2,585. Right?
That's a bar, $2,585 approximately, at around 91%
Right.
silver currently, because this was sterling silverware that was melted down,
As you witnessed yourself.
as I witnessed myself. All right, and we're going to look at that gold bar. And there's the gold bar, a beautiful gold bar, 1,323 grams worth. And that bar would be approximately,
Let's do the math.
purity-wise, approximately.
$31,717.
Right there, folks. The gold bar, approximately 1,323 grams. Just another beautiful piece. And yes, the owner of the bunker will be taking that to go ahead and cash out. He's going to make sure of the purity, puts it in the X-ray machine, make sure of the purity. Your best thinking tells you what, 50, 60%?
56% average.
Average. It's a beautiful thing, folks. All right, hey.
Thanks for watching the show. We'll be back with
Thank
some
you.
interesting videos soon.
Thank you, owner of the bunker. And the lady of the bunker tells you to keep on stacking your
Silver bars.
silver bars, your gold bars, your coins, your rounds. And we are
Out
Doing
here.
some math.